As an addition to the Drover pack range, the Drover Hydro pack is now available in the Biari native concealment camouflage pattern designed by SPIKA. Features include dual zipper main compartment, internal pockets, a front stash pocket, external water bladder compartment, external tie points, industry-leading Duraflex hardware, YKK zippers, lightweight adjustable straps, a removable hip belt, silent material construct, and a 2-litre hydro bladder. For a detailed breakdown on all the features included in this pack and for all other packs included in the Drover range, head over to the SPIKA Team YouTube channel. Also, check out biari.spika.com.au for all information on the Biari camouflage pattern by SPIKA.